In this Excel tip number 7, I focus on other Excel functions which I usually use in the practice. This is part number 2 because I talk about Excel useful functions in the previous tip. But today I want to focus on a subtotal, which is mathematical function. You can't use common functions such as sum, average, count, max, min in filtered list of values because they calculate all values, not only visible. Therefore, we need to use subtotal. The other logical functions such as AND, OR are useful if we want to meet more condition than one. You can use these functions with combination if function or separately. And the last one is IFERROR if you want to show a specific value instead error value. Thank you for your attention.